We are so pissed off at somebody, so we are gonna tell them how we feel with a little tantrum that I like to call the Taylor tantrum. Take it to the back, let's go. Point, drop, take it up, down, jump, rock, good, brat, bounce, and shady, sway, take it up, drop, and bounce. Shady, sway, take it up.
It's actually romantic.
Think about someone who's just so jealous of you they can't get your name out of their mouth.
No man has ever loved me like you do.
Hi. Flick away the rumors and sit and heart again. Flick away the nastiness.
But it's precious.
2 more times.
Like a toy chihuahua barking at me from a tiny purse. That's how much it hurts. How many times has your boyfriend said,
Bounce to the side, let's go, brat, bounce.
Actually sweet.
And sassy, sway.
Spent on me, it's honestly wild. All the effort you put in, it's actually romantic. I really gotta hand it to you. Ooh.
Last one, Taylor tantrum, here we go.
You think I'm tacky, baby? Stop talking dirty to me. It sounded nasty, but it feels like you're
2 more times. Who pisses you off so much?
My witness that I don't provoke it, but it's kinda making me sweat.
Go.
'Cause it's actually sweet.
And shady, sway, up, drop.
It's honestly
Ooh, you are so passive aggressive. You must know my mother.
Actually romantic. Really gotta hand it to you, to you.
Last one,
No man has ever loved
Taylor
me.
tantrum.
It's actually romantic. You just give me so much.
You are just full of rage. 2.
Romantic.
I don't know what 2 was, but I said it.
'Cause it's actually sweet. All the time you've spent on me, it's honestly lovely. All the effort you put in, it's actually romantic. Really gotta hand it to you, to you. No man has ever loved me like you do.